Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi grilled cheese. First, gather your essential ingredients. Kimchi, your favorite bread, a good melting cheese, and butter. For the best texture, select a sturdy bread like sourdough or brioche. Make sure to drain any excess liquid from your kimchi. This step is crucial for a perfectly crispy sandwich, preventing it from becoming soggy. Now, let's get cooking. Next, let's prepare the star ingredient, the kimchi. Roughly chop it into smaller, more manageable pieces so it distributes evenly in your sandwich. For an extra layer of flavor, you can lightly sauté the kimchi in a pan for a few minutes. Some people like to add a small pinch of sugar to balance its tanginess. Remember, a drier kimchi makes for a crispier grilled cheese, so ensure it's not overly wet. Now let's assemble our delicious creation. Generously butter one side of each slice of bread. Place one slice, buttered side down, into your pan. Immediately add a layer of your chosen cheese on the unbuttered side. Next, spread your prepared kimchi evenly over the cheese. Add another layer of cheese, then top with the second slice of bread, buttered side up. This layering ensures maximum meltiness. Finally, it's time to grill your masterpiece. Cook the sandwich over medium-low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. This slower cooking allows the bread to get perfectly golden brown and crispy without burning, while giving the cheese ample time to melt. Flip it carefully when the first side is beautifully browned. Once both sides are golden and the cheese is wonderfully gooey, remove it from the pan. Serve immediately and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.